How can you access into Amazon Jobs account? Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Amazon Jobs login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Amazon.jobs, open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the email address. Then type in the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option of forgot your password to recover it. After you fill up these, you can click on the option of login. With that, you will be logged into your Amazon Jobs account. Likewise, you can also use these options to log in, Amazon.com or Google account. You just have to click on those options, provide your credentials, and with that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log into your Amazon Jobs account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.